You are staring at a digital crate on your screen. Your finger is hovering over the button. Your heart is thumping like you are about to pull the lever on a high-stakes slot machine. This is the magnetic pull of IcyBox. It is one of those mystery box platforms that has everyone talking lately. You see the bright colors. You see the icons for high-end smartphones and designer sneakers. It feels like a shortcut to luxury. You pay a set price for a virtual box. You click. The graphics spin. Then you see your prize. Sometimes it is a massive win. Most of the time it is a cheap filler item. We need to get honest about whether this is a smart move or a total trap. IcyBox appears to be a functioning platform. It is not a fly-by-night operation that just steals your data. Users do report getting their items. The site allows you to exchange things you do not want. You can also have eligible items shipped right to your house. But being legitimate is not the same thing as being a good deal. You have to understand the mechanics behind the screen. These sites are built on probability. They are designed for the house to win over the long haul. That is the only way they stay in business. If everyone pulled a $1,000 haul for a $10 entry fee, the lights would go out tomorrow. Most of the items in those boxes are worth significantly less than the price of the box itself. You might drop $50 and end up with a budget power bank. That is not a glitch in the system. That is the system. People often scream scam when they lose. But losing a game of luck is not a scam. It is just the nature of the beast. You have to treat IcyBox as a form of gaming. It is pure entertainment. You are paying for the rush of the gamble. You are paying for that split second of hope while the animation plays out. If you go in expecting to turn a profit, you are setting yourself up for a bad time. If you actually need a specific piece of gaming gear, go to a store and buy it. That is the only way to ensure your money turns into the product you actually want. Buying the thing directly is always the better financial move. It takes the mystery out of it. But it also takes the risk out of it. If you decide to play, set a strict budget. Treat that money as already gone. Do not chase your losses. Once your limit is hit, you have to walk away. You also need to dig into the terms and conditions. Look at the shipping costs. Check how long it takes for a package to actually arrive at your door. Sometimes the hidden fees can turn a small win into a headache. IcyBox is a real place to play. It is safe in the sense that it functions as advertised. But it is only worth it if you enjoy the thrill more than the money. Keep your head on straight. Keep your expectations low. If you do that, the experience can be a bit of fun. Just do not let the flashy lights trick you into thinking this is a career path or a shopping strategy. You need to remember that these virtual crates are a gamble, not a storefront. The items might look high-end, but the odds are usually stacked in a very specific way. If you are comfortable with the idea that you might walk away with nothing but a cheap pair of socks, then you are ready to explore. If that thought makes you nervous, stay far away. There's no such thing as a free lunch in the digital world. Stick to what you know. Stick to what you can afford. And most importantly, do not let the excitement of a potential jackpot cloud your better judgment. It is all about balance and being realistic about what you are doing with your hard-earned cash. Some people love the rush of the reveal more than the item itself. If that is you, then this platform might be right up your alley. Just remember that the thrill of the spin should be the main course, not the prize at the end. Stay smart and keep your wallet guarded against the temptation of the big win.